How can you fix something went wrong problem on Photoleap? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to solve this issue, first of all, you have to know the cause or the root of the issue. Now, there might be so many issues for this problem. You just simply have to check for your subscription if it's working properly or not at very first. In order to check that, you can go into the gear option and select manage your plan. And into here, you can check your subscription if it's working properly or when does it expire and all the things like that. Otherwise, if it is working properly but still you are getting something went wrong problem, you might have to log out your account and log in again, and if that also doesn't help, you should try clearing cache, uninstalling and reinstalling the application, and the problem will go away. And this way you can fix something went wrong problem on Photoleap. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.